Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we got a real treat for you, man. We can actually say this is one of the nicest in the country. This is a 1965 Mercury Comet Caliente. It is a AACA National First Place winner. Killer car. This is my favorite color combination. I don't think there's anything prettier. Factory onyx black with the red interior. It is a complete nut and bolt rotisserie restoration. There's just barely over 600 miles on the car, and it is stunning. Again, factory black car. I love the wheels and tires on it. It's got the double redline, or BF Goodrich Silvertown radial double redline tires on it with the style wheels. And this car, he said, when it was restored right to the tag. So, I mean, it is pretty much just like it would have come out of the factory, although a heck of a lot nicer. Said they spent a ton of money redoing all the chrome and stainless. Again, it's just got gorgeous paint on it. Pretty car right here. Just a sweetheart. I gotta get a new antenna mast for it. That's the one thing I gotta be on the hunt. I keep thinking it's gonna pop up here because we had it. I don't know if our shipper lost it or well, you can see the glass is nice. Factory dual chrome mirrors. Again, all the chrome and stainless is redone. Just beautiful car. Just as nice on the bottom. If you want to pick it, there's a couple little tiny cracks as seen on both sides over there, on both of those sides, and that's just nitpicking it, man. This car is gorgeous. Look how straight that thing is down the sides. Factory 14-inch style wheels. They even got a double red line in the trunk. Look at that car. Look how pretty the paint is. Correct 289 C code, stock carb intake, exhaust manifolds. Yes, this is painted correctly. On these cars, the valve covers and air cleaners were painted yellow. That is correct. Like I say, this car is restored to like the day it would have came out of the factory. It's got factory air, it works, or dealer air, whatever you want to call it. You can see your overflow bottle and everything. Original VIN's still on your apron. Power steering, again, air. It's got the automatic trans. And it's just as nice on the bottom. Again, the air does blow cold. Yeah, you're looking for a nice Comet. This is going to be a tough one to beat right here. Virginia car. notice they've already done all that stuff. Beautiful, man. New door rubbers. There's your door tag. Look how nice the bottoms of the doors are. Redid all the interior. Look how nice that is. It's actually got red Mustang rubber mats. I probably shouldn't have done it. It's 160 bucks, but I actually ordered the correct carpeted Caliente mats for it. Beautiful, man. Look how nice that steering wheel is. Factory dash, 600, almost 603 miles on it. AM radio. The factory heat works in the dash and the air works down below. It's got stainless exhaust on it. Factory 280 rear end. Everywhere you look, man, this car is just pretty. Like I said, they got a double redline spare in the trunk. There's a show board in here that goes with it. That's the AACA award. I think he said the judging sheet is here. The original owner's manuals. There's some photos of the car. I think on the Rotisserie. I think he said the judging sheet is in there as well. Again, show board goes with it. Those are the original fender skirts for the car. Everything opens and closes so nice. Look at the bottom of this car. It's just as clean as the top. Put mirrors underneath it and show it. Look how nice that interior is. Slick, slick. How nice those are, man. You know, I can always go up and pick those A-pillar cones. You can tell they've redone those. Okay, just a sweetheart. Air works. Got the air on. This bone style underneath the hood. Runs and drives just as sweet as can be. I love the front end on these cars. These cars are cool. You just don't see them. I mean, you've done this as long as I have. You just fall in love with stuff you don't see. Oh, we got to check the fuel gauge. That's right. We ordered a new. We think the sending unit might have went bad. All the other gauges are working. See this stuff back here working or not. That sun is in the back. I don't know if you're going to get a station. We got no antenna on there. Is it on? It'll take it a minute to warm up. Actually, it's a solid state radio. I don't know if that's working, guys. Again, the blower motors do work. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Great way to keep track of us.
Boy, is that pretty. Slick car.
right, guys. Have a great day, guys.